the second International Conference of Pharmaceutical Science under the theme of Future Perspective on Drug Research and Sustainable Development, organized by Faculty of Pharmacy, Azhar University of Science and Technology. I would like to thank the organizing committee for giving me this opportunity to join this great event. I am honored to deliver a talk on essential topic nowadays. On 11th this July, I will be discussing the waste recycling technologies for nanomaterial manufacturing. See you there. Thank you.